What is up, everybody? Welcome back. We are on the way to the gym. Guess my video views went up. People are actually starting to watch them, so quite exciting news. Um, Really, I never started this to get the views. Truly started it for one, myself. That's the number one thing, to see my progress over time and really forcing myself to see it. Because before, I'd work out, but I wouldn't really. I mean, I don't really care. I wouldn't really care about the progress and seeing it, but I wanted to see it. And now I really can, and every day. One thing I tell myself and everybody that's around me is, better 1% at least every day, right? And if that's in the gym or whatnot, getting better in yourself 1% every day. Like right now, I'm doing some classes, online to hopefully further my career in some things. But yeah, it's always awesome to see that people actually are interested in. I don't know if they are or not. I haven't looked at like how long people actually watch for, and if they don't watch long, they don't watch long. They're missing out. They're missing out. Um, so we are on the way to the gym. Arm day. I know, exciting, exciting, exciting. I do weird splits. Some people do 4 days. Some people do. A lot of people like to do 4 days. I've always been one to do 3 day. Except I switched around some. Like before, I would do leg and shoulders, and then I would do back and bi, and then tries and chest. But I have seen a lot like better progression just doing chest and back, and then bis and tries, because you hit both of those muscle groups. I mean, truthfully, like I don't know. I don't know why a lot of people don't do that split. I don't know. And trust me, it wasn't because of Sam Sulik. I just did it because it made sense to me. I switched over, and I was like, man, I was just like, wait, because I was always like not getting a good lift in when I would do those other ones, like especially try and chest day. I just was never getting a good try lift. I was never, my tries weren't feeling good after like any lift. So I switched to just doing arms because you pull, you push. I mean, it makes sense. So that's what I ended up switching to, and you know, uh, it's worked. It's worked so far. So we on the way, arms. It's gonna be a good day. I got my glycerol pumped in here. We got some creatine, some citrulline. Still running bucked up. Awoke AF. I ordered a sample pack of Alpha Line because I one of the extreme one caught my eye with the three different variations of caffeine, and then also similar ingredients. It does have less pumps, but I have citrulline, so I can just take a little bit of extra citrulline, um, and then same amount of beta. So I think I'm gonna try it out. Who knows? I've never really heard anything bad from Alpha Lion. I've just never personally used it, but we're gonna see how that goes today. Obviously, I love using some glycerol. I don't buy the serum, the 98%, because the 98% is like for like 20 servings, it's like $50. So I don't dabble in spending that much money. I am about to place an order once I'm out of Once I'm out of my glycerol now, I'm gonna place an order for 2 kilos of it. It sounds like I'm talking about drugs, but I'm not. I promise. Um, but yeah. We're gonna. This lift is gonna be great. I just have a really good feeling. Yesterday's lift was awful. I was tired. I wasn't excited about it. I don't know why I wasn't excited about it. Normally, legs are one of my favorite. I've just been dealing with some injuries with my legs recently that just aren't fun, and they make my lifts a little bit harder. And then shoulders is a very like bland workout. Nothing too exciting there. I mean, genuinely, if you just want to grow it really quickly, you could just pop some roids into your shoulders. I mean, that's where you inject steroids. So I mean, inject roids into your shoulder, they're just gonna naturally. That's just the first thing that's gonna grow. Like, I mean, you're gonna have big shoulders if you have roids, right? Big shoulders and big traps. Like that's just. If you ever want to know if someone's on it, just look at the size of their shoulders. They will probably be absolute boulders, honestly. So, but let's see. What should we talk about today? Should we talk about cars? The other day we were talking about music. I guess clothing would be a good topic. I am a big stickler on like what I wear. I literally just dropped $65 on underwear because I'm stickler on what underwear I wear. Because I like being comfortable, like it's the one thing that comes in touch with a body part that you're moving all day long. And so pretty, pretty big stickler about it. I got some, I think they were jockeys, quite expensive, but I got them on a really good deal. They got like $250 worth of underwear for like 65 bucks. So shout out to Jockey and helping me out with all of that. The people at the store were amazing. I've been rocking some cutoffs and some Under Armour stuff. Under Armour, I've always worn Under Armour. I've never had any complaint about them. Nike is the one company I just won't wear. Like I won't wear the shoes or anything. I've just never found their stuff comfortable. I don't know. I do need to get some new shoes though. My shoes are about done. That I swear, like they are about to rip. Um, but yeah, like maybe I'll start my own clothing brand. I've always wanted to do that. I feel like everybody just kind of tailors to what people want. I mean, what they kind of give you and not really what you want. Woo! My glycerol is tasting. Another thing is cars. I always do like talking about cars. I don't know. I'm all over the place today. Like I'm just ready to get to the gym and lift. Like I don't know, man. But yeah, so we're about to be at the gym. Car wise, comment down below what your favorite car is. Price budget does not matter. It could be any car. It could be a classic, like a brand new hypercar or whatnot. Probably one of my favorite cars. That is a really, really hard choice. I'm in between. Like, are we talking about speed? Like, are we talking about just looks absolutely amazing? Because like if we're talking about looks, like I'm gonna pick a Pagani Zonda. Like, right? Absolutely gorgeous car. The carbon fiber on the car is just crazy. Another car that you could say is just absolutely balls to the walls fast. The Valkyrie, the Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR. Right? I mean, that thing is literally a Formula One car for the streets. Like. It sounds ridiculous. It's a naturally aspirated V12 with like 1,200 horsepower. I mean, it's the stupidest car. I mean, no man should own that and be able to drive that on the streets. Like, it's stupid. I mean, if we're talking about like old classics, like I'm thinking of a Mercedes SL 150, or I think that's it, 150 or 170. I can't remember which one it was. Or a 300 SL, like a Goldwing. I mean, those things are gorgeous. I love old Mercedes. Old Mercedes are probably one of my favorite old classics. You got some 50. You got the older like 50s, like a 58, 58 Vet. I think are very sexy. I don't know. I mean, just comment down below what you guys think. Like, what's your favorite car is? Anyone. I just want to know. I mean, I'm pretty curious. Yeah, that was all over the place. So we're gonna see. I don't know. I might start recording on the way back. Maybe I'll be a little bit more focused. Who knows? But yeah, we're gonna head into the gym. Get a crazy arm pump in. Use the new lens to get the pump, and yeah. All right. Hop into this one. We're gonna do 3 by, I don't know, starting at kind of a lower weight. Elbows a little tight, but let's get in this thing. Hands are frigid. I don't know how many reps I did. That felt good. I don't know. All right. Gonna hop into another set. Bumped up the weight quite a bit. One thing I don't know why, but my wrists, they're only bending. Yeah, we're gonna hop into this next one. Feeling pretty good right now. I don't know what all we're gonna do today. We will see. But yeah, goal is bulk up the arms. I think I have some pretty good arm genetics. I don't know. We're starting to see a little bit. Hopefully when I get some 20 inchers.
how many reps that was, but it was quite a few. Ooh. I know it ain't a lot of reps, but felt really good. Really good. Really focus on squeeze down below. Yeah, let's hop into something else. There we go. All right, that's all we can do. And then we'll hop into some like skull crusher movement. We're done there. Let's go find something else to do.
I did. Oh, that's because you said you girl. Stop acting like you're sure. I am.
Oh my gosh, that's so much better. All right. Do some of these. I don't know. Just getting this pump. I gotta like stand like right here. Need back just a tad bit. But alright, here we go. Alright. Double bung. Oh yeah. Definitely getting some progress on these. Oh, those lats all double. Bye. They're starting to look absolutely crazy. Guess we can try double bi from the back. Not really much. I told you my biceps are probably my worst part about my body. I have long biceps, so it's really hard. Got a war going on over there. Guess we can check the left tricep. Looking pretty stellar. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. All right, well, that's the pump. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for chest and back day. Hopefully the forearm is feeling better, as you guys probably saw. Didn't do a lot of reps, but we tried to get it in. Still feeling some really good, like it's like they're super used. Like we definitely got them used, but not to the extent I wanted them today. So, but yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.